Alright friends, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you the free icons that we can use in our Laravel Vue Inertia project. So once we search Lucid Icons on Google, then we can see this website which is lucid.dev, and let me click on it. And here you will find the free icons, over 1500 icons that we can use in our project. So let me show you how we can set up and use these icons in our project. So let me click on guide, and we have the guide for the packages, and we are going to use Lucid Vue. So to install, we need to run this command called npm install Lucid Vue next. If we are using Vue 3, I'm using Vue 3, so I will be using this command. So let me copy that and paste that in. And after installation, we can simply import it and then use it in our project. So let me go to welcome.vue file, and to use the icons, we need to import first. And I want to import, let's say, heart icon from Lucid Vue next. And to use it, we can simply use that icon over here. Now if I open up the browser, go over here, then we see this default icon with default styling and everything, right? Which is great. But we can pass extra props to modify this icon. So over here, it is saying that we can pass the color, size, stroke width, absolute stroke width, and the default class. Okay, so for now let's just pass color and the size. So let's say I want the color to be red and the size to be 100, and we get this icon, which is great, right? And if we want to change the border width, then we can use the props called stroke width, and by default it is 2. Let me change that. Let's say stroke width equals 4, and we have this. Okay, for now let me remove it. And for this project, I'm also using Tailwind CSS. So instead of using these props, we can directly use the class. So if I do text red 600, and instead of using the color prop, then it will also work, which is great, right? And another interesting props that we can use is the field prop. So if I go over here, we can use the field prop and pass the value. So let me copy this, let me paste that in, let me remove this, and let's use the color is red and field is red. Okay, and we have this field icon, which is great. So instead of using these props, we can also use Tailwind classes. So let's use classes over here. Class text, let's say teal 600. And to apply the field, we can do field teal 600, and we can remove this. And this is working, right? Which is great. So we can easily modify these icons, color, and the size, which is really great. So this much for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, as I will be uploading the videos like this. So till then, have a great time, and I will see you on the next one.